Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unblock someone on Binance Square. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well if you are confused. Now let's simply look at how to unblock someone. Well, in my previous video, I had taught you guys how to block them. Now let's unblock them right now. At the bottom left of the screen, just above your username, you will see a button like this called as Settings. Click on it, and guys, this is it. This is the settings page, especially in the content section. Right here, you can see something called as Blocked Account. Click on it right now, and this is it. This is the person that I had previously blocked. Right now, I want to unblock them. Associated with each of their profile, you will see the unblock button right there. Click on it. And that is it. That's how we unblock someone in Binance Square. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.